But their enemy has other ideas. Crossing the land to reset the ambush. To feed, the crabs must keep going. But nowhere is safe. An octopus, also a crab killer. The crabs make a dash for it. Made it, risking life and limb to graze on these seaweed pastures. But in 2 hours' time, when the tide starts to turn, they will have to run the gauntlet all over again.
On 40 little legs, this finger-length velvet worm stalks in silence. Its hunting tactics are the stuff of science fiction. Vibration sensors on its body track its victim's movement. It must creep closer to use its secret weapon. Web slingers. The sticky strands harden in seconds. There's no escape.
These are Nubian Ibex, and they're squaring up for a duel. These are actually subordinate male Ibex, but their fights are nonetheless serious. Losing one might mean never getting the chance to breed, ever. When competitors are evenly matched, as they are here, duels can last for an hour. In this heat, the effort is truly exhausting. But victory here will gain important ranking points on a male's way to the top. There's so much at stake that not all play fair. The battle has produced a winner, but the ultimate prize is not his yet. That currently belongs to the dominant male Ibex.